Where's Jonah? Jonah was cleaning his room. Now where did he go? Uh-oh, Dina, where's Jonah? Jonah? Where are you? Jonah! Don't say anything else. Where is he? Go get Jonah. Shh, no. Call him, Jonah. Call him. Say help. Say help. Jonah, call him. There he is. Go get him. Go get him. Go. Go. Jonah!
Go get him, Peter. Go get him. Go get him. Go help him. Go.
Put your hand out where the stairs are, Jonah. Peter. Go get Jonah. Go. Okay, here. Let's move that. Let's move that. Okay. Go get him. Go. Go get him. He thinks you're on the bed. Scream. You found him. Good job. You found your brother. Good job, Peter. Okay, fix your room.